So today we're going to study a very important topic which is related to periodontology subject. So let's start it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so basically it is the gingival connective tissue. The gingival connective tissue consists of mainly the fibers, collagen fibers, which accounts for 60% of this, and then fibroblast 5%, and then they have nerves and blood vessels, and the matrix is 35%. So mainly it has the collagen fibers, then it has the fibroblast, and then it has the matrix. Okay, then always remember that the second name of connective tissue is the lamina propria. Okay, it has two layers, which is a papillary layer which is actually face towards the epithelium that consists of papillary projections between the epithelium retipex. So it is like this epithelial like layer. It is reticular layer is actually adjacent to the periosteum of the alveolar bone. It is more close to the alveolar bone, this layer is. Okay, then connective tissue has two compartments. One is cellular, that will consist the cells, and other is the extracellular compartment that has the fibers and ground substance. Okay, always remember that the gingival connective tissue is largely a fibrous connective tissue that originates from the oral mucosal connective tissue. Okay, this is very important that it is basically derived from oral mucosal connective tissue, and some fibers that is actually derived from the dental follicle. Okay, the ground substance or the matrix is basically fill the space between the fibers and cells. It is amorphous and have the high water content. It has the protoglycans, which is hyaluronic acid and chondroitin sulfate, and glycoproteins. Okay, so it has proteoglycans and glycoproteins which is present in the matrix. The glycoproteins are two types, which is fibronectin and laminin. The fibronectin basically do what that it binds the fibroblast to the fibers. The fibers, we have the collagen, then we have elastic fibers. Okay, then we have reticular fibers. Okay, so and it binds the fibroblast to the fibers by basically mediating cell to cell adhesion and migration. Okay, laminin is another glycoprotein that basically found in the basal lamina. Okay, basal lamina, and it serves attached to the epithelial cells. Okay, means this is present in the basement membrane and it attaches to the epithelial cells. Okay, now we have three types of fibers: collagen, reticular, elastic. So number one, we will study about the collagen. Okay, so collagen fibers are two types. Mainly we study type 1 and type 4. The type 1 is present in large amount in the connective tissue that provide the tensile strength to the gingival tissue. The other is type 4, which is acrophilic reticular fibers, that is actually branches between the collagen 1 and have continuous fibers of the basement membrane and blood vessel walls. Okay, then elastic fibers is actually composed of three type of fibers. It has oxytylane, alanine, and elastin fibers, basically that is distributed among the collagen fibers. Okay, they are actually densely packed collagen bundles. Okay, they are densely collagen bundles that are anchored into the acellular extrinsic fiber cementum. Means this is basically these collagen bundles are anchored into the acellular cementum, you can say, just below the junctional epithelium that forms the connective tissue attachment. So it forms the connective tissue attachment. Okay, there and the stability of this due to this attachment, which is actually below the junction epithelium, the junction epithelium cannot migrate. It provides alimentation for this, so it is very important. Okay, so we have studied the components of the connective tissue compartments also. Then we have also studied about the glycoproteins, fibronectin, laminin. Then we have fibers, three type: collagen, reticular, elastic, and then collagen type 1 is present in high amounts in the connective tissue. Then type 4 is also present. Then fibers are present, and due to these elastic fibers, it provides alimentation of the migration of junctional epithelium. Okay.